Patrick's garage. Making sure that the area around where you're working with hammer is uncluttered, that you've got some space. If you do work like this, you need enough room. So avoid cluttered surroundings when you're working with hammer. It doesn't hamper your work, but nobody distract you. Hammer can be very noisy tool. We put our head up to the bricks for more convenience. You know, old car can have problems which not set in books, and they can be pretty perplexing for many young owners. You know, before approximately a week ago, I spread the WD-40 for the stem of the valve. And now, as I said earlier, and I think that I must repeat it again, please make sure that nobody distract you. Maybe from a little bit another angle will be better visible. It's not a bit difficult. So in our repairing process and even encountering this difficult situation, unexpected situation, not to quit. We always can figure it out something. Yes, stacking valve was unexpectedly. This aluminum stick, I used this for the main jet. Now we use it for stacking valve. Now, slowly but surely, it will goes out. Always aim more accurately as it possible. And I want to point out, maybe you wonder, this is cast iron head. Only one head on 4 cylinders engine. So good, it really starts, goes out. And because of this, we'll come to mind that we in right direction. So let's continue. Comes the crucial action. And a little bit additional strike. So we hit it enough. And no way more further. And let's look at the bottom. Now we need a little wiggling it, and it goes out in a lot of times. Here should be clearance between valve guide and valve stem. Dirt from rust. We don't care now, we just keeping removing this valve. Without clearances, that's not going to be working right. So we need to clean guide inside. So it's got a lot of dirt on it. WD-40 works perfectly. We should remove all the rust, otherwise it will eat the surface inside the guide. So we wiggling it, push it in, pull it out, sneaky little rust. And let's look, stem not wears out, not damaged from rust. You know our aversion to rust. We need to clean it again and again. And this is so even though we don't want it to be. Multifaceted approach should be applied when we have deal with old stuff. Coding paperwork, permissible clearance between valve stem and valve guide should be 0.15 millimeters, and valve stem permissible wear maximum 4.02 millimeters. Now we put our valve into the box for storage, never mixing them. Here parts for the valve number 4, which are appropriate to this valve. This particular valve was designed for Volvo B20, but they all work the same way. So when we're lapping them and assembling the cat, we should put it into its correct place. All these parts we should store and assembling together all the time. And I see this, and yes, we need to buy new seals. They always say that valve seals is too far gone always. So let's continue packaging our valve with its details. All this stuff's pretty normal so far, which is what you want. So we cherish these original parts, we never buy them. Clean this thread, this surface, everywhere superficial rust. We can settle for grinding this surface. These rings stick for the intake manifold. Here you see WD-40, we add a little WD-40, we unscrewing them, and a little weight. We are going to implement old simple trick with 2 nuts. We tightening them together, snug enough. This ratchet not strong enough, so we using this ratchet half-inch size square. WD-40 we can use in lot of cases. And here you see rusty thread at the end. Maybe will be better to replace it. Here, surface, WD-40, very useful stuff. And by the way, I have no commission by telling you this. We clean surface, we look more closely. These simple blades for scratching paint from windows. With these blades and WD-40 we can clean our surface wicked fast. It's really the way to go. Let's add WD-40 again. It's a little boring, but it should be clean because we can got a lot of hassles with dirty surface. Engine nerds always suggest you grinding surface, so will be better to check it yourself. Because if you ask them, they always say that yes, you need grind this surface. And it's going to take some money. If we planning to keep this engine for a lot of time, it will be better to clean it thoroughly. You know, they're not going to ride like modern cars, but they're going to last forever. But this not matter for something that's going to run forever. This is the main surface in the car and it should be in perfect condition. Otherwise, we're just pissing in a wind with our repair. Hope to see you in the next video here on Patrick's Garage. Thanks for watching.